So welcome to testingtoolsonline.in. So here I am going to explain you the project training program. So what exactly we are going to teach in this program, as what we are going to do in this program. The project training program is really a unique concept. The main agenda, let's start with an agenda, the main agenda of this program. So what you are going to do in this program. So basically the main agenda of this program is to enhance you with some live experience. So at the end of the course, at the end of this live training program, so we'll have a feel that you have worked on a real application. So that is our motto, to give you some hands-on experience. Now, so really it works? Yes, really it works. So when you work, when you learn something from an institute, so saying frankly, it can be with us or else it may be with some other institute. So but you have learned the course, but how to implement the content what you have learned, so that gap will be filled here by doing this so-called project training. So how we'll call it as a unique, how we are going to justify it as a unique, let's see that. So first of all, like, who can join this course? This is a very important thing. Who can join this course? Like, all you have underwent the training, as I said earlier, so no training sessions will be conducted here. You need to have knowledge on the particular tools. Okay, next, and who are very serious about the job and who can spare at least a couple of hours a day. So why I said very serious about the job? Because we are working on a group, in a group actually. Okay, so those who are very serious to learn, those who are very serious to get a job and who can spend a couple of hours, then it would be fine. So all the people get together can work. Okay, so now, so how it works? So this is also very important, how it works exactly. So in this, so there will be no classes will be held. So just we have a 10% of a lecture and 90% will be your hands-on experience. So our unique program has been developed in such a way that, so 4 or 5 people, so we'll make them as a group, a batch. To that batch or a group, a faculty will act as a team lead. So you will be working as a team members in the team, and one of our faculty will work as a lead to you. Okay, so you are going to test an application under supervision of so-called this faculty or your team lead. So he will guide you throughout the process. So this is the concept actually. Now, so what you are going to do in this training program? The first thing is that we have the basic, and the first thing is that we have some documents for the so-called application. So the documents will be provided to you and you will give in sufficient time to understand the documents. Okay, the process is like that. First you need to analyze the documents, then you need to derive the respective test cases or test scripts accordingly. So after that, the conducting of reviews will be done by your lead, and after that the execution or the actual testing comes into play. So defect reporting and retesting and revision testing. So this is the process actually. You know it, you have learned it while running the course. Yes, so this is the process. My main intention to repeat it again is, like, this is the thing what you are going to see, like step by step, right? So no theory part will be there. So you are going to write the test cases here, you are going to execute them, you are going to report a defect, and you are going to do the regression and retesting, and you are going to close the test. Clear? So this is the thing what we are going to do in a course, in a batch, in a group. A specific module will be given to you and your lead will lead that, and you are going to work on that particular module. And moreover, so we are going to test multiple applications here. So again, the point is that I am saying it's a live application. Yes, it's really a live application, but one more thing you need to understand it. The same application will be repeated in the other batches also. I mean to say, like, we doesn't have any development department. We have developed only this application to test it. to give the knowledge to our students, just we have developed that application. Okay, so now at the end, basically you are going to get some experience on it, like some hands-on experience on it. Really, you can attend the interviews with confidence when compared to learning a theory and working on it is quite different. So the feel you can get, and you can really attend the interviews with some confidence when compared to the earlier. Now, so basically, as I said earlier, we are going to work on 3 applications basically. 2 are web based and 1 is your Windows based application. And this program will run for 30 days and you need to spare 2 hours a day. Okay, so detailed program structure, you can find the detailed program structure in our website at www.testingtoolsonline.in, or else for further details you can call us at 9030484879. Clear? So for any doubts or any queries, please do visit our website. Thank you.